Today we will learn vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. We are the vowels. Sounds of A. Words ending with A-T. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. Words ending with A-B. C-A-B, cab. L-A-B, lab. C-R-A-B, crab. Words ending with A-D. S-A-D, sad. D-A-D, dad. L-A-D, lad. Words ending with A-G. B-A-G, bag. T-A-G, tag. R-A-G, rag. Words ending with A-M. J-A-M, jam. D-A-M, dam. R-A-M, ram. Words ending with A-N. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. Sounds of E. Words ending with E-T. N-E-T, net. J-E-T, jet. P-E-T, pet. Words ending with E-G. K-E-G, keg. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. Words ending with E-N. P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. Sounds of I. Words ending with I-T. S-I-T, sit. K-I-T, kit. L-I-T, lit. Words ending with I-B. B-I-B, bib. R-I-B, rib. N-I-B, nib. Words ending with I-G. W-I-G, wig. F-I-G, fig. D-I-G, dig. Sounds of O. Words ending with O-T. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. D-O-T, dot. Words ending with O-B. J-O-B, job. S-O-B, sob. M-O-B, mob. Words ending with O-D. C-O-D, cord. P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. Sounds of U. Words ending with U-G. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. B-U-G, bug. Words ending with U-B. T-U-B, tub. C-U-B, cub. R-U-B, rub. Words ending with U-T. H-U-T, hut. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. We just learned sounds of vowels. Bye friends, let's meet in another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Little Indian. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.